How to fix Rockstar Games error code 3000.108. For this first step, clear the Rockstar Launcher cache. Close the Rockstar Game Launcher, open Task Manager, end the task of background running apps of Rockstar Games, end the task completely, and close it, and open up Run, press Window plus R, and search percentage local app data percentage, and click OK. This page will appear. In this, you need to scroll down and search for Rockstar Games, click Launcher folder, delete the files and folder. Once complete after close it, restore the launcher, it will recreate the files automatically. After come to next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall in the left hand side and click Change Settings. Scroll down and search for Rockstar Game Launcher. And make sure you should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. And if the option is of not having means you need to allow another app and add it. Click Allow another app in the bottom side and click Browse. Go to C drive, click Program Files, click Rockstar Games Launcher, and you can get the application. Open the application and click Add. I already have, so I skip it. You need to add and make sure you should enable in both private and public. Click OK and close it and come to next step. Reset the network. For this, search for CMD, click Run as Administrative, and type the following text: netsh space winsock space reset. Click Enter, and the next command netsh space int space IP space reset. Click Enter. The next command ipconfig space slash flush DNS. Click Enter. And the next command ipconfig space slash release. Click Enter. The last and final command ipconfig space slash renew. Click Enter, and at last exit it. Once complete after, come to next step. Open up this PC, click C drive, and make sure it should have enough memory space. And click right click it, click properties, tools, check, and scan the drive. It will eventually scan the C drive. Your drive was successfully scanned. After scanning, close it and restart your device. Thank you.